I'm going to save this video forever. Nobody's going to know. They're not going to know. I think this is the first time and only time that you will see a Ducati Pikes Peak take a BMW S1000RR. Look at that. Look at that beautiful flag right there. July 4th, out for a morning ride with the crew. Grateful. Does not get any better than that. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. It is the morning of July 4th. Happy Independence Day. Hopefully you're getting a chance to enjoy today, reflect on this amazing country we get to live in, be thankful and grateful for our freedom, and to all those that give the ultimate sacrifice so that we have our independence and our freedom, my sincere thanks and gratitude. Another great video for you. I'm about to go meet Mr. Cycle Fanatics. He just bought a brand new 2024 BMW S1000RR, and we're gonna go out for a quick rip. We're going to Seniors. I got my buddy TJ who's gonna hopefully meet us here, and we're gonna enjoy a nice early morning July 4th ride. And then as part of this video, I'm actually gonna go and watch the fireworks tonight on the Jersey side. The Macy's fireworks, it's on the Hudson River this year. I haven't gone to see it in a long time, and I'm gonna bring that footage to you here in this video, so you're gonna wanna stick around. If you're new here, I'm Fly and Ride, and I focus on ride reviews, moto vlogs, cinematic drone footage. I've got 3 bikes: 2024 Pikes Peak, 2022 BMW R1250 GS, and a 2020 Harley Davidson Street Glide CVO. And we do it all here on the channel. Destination rides, group rides, you name it. Testing out different bikes, riding bikes all over the US. So if you like that kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification, so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Man, this bike is just absolutely amazing. I've got the external mic on, so you get a chance to really hear that pipe. We're gonna have a blast this morning, so enjoy the ride. What's up, brother? What's going on? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, bro. It's his birthday. What's up, man? What's going on, bro? How you been, man? It's been a while, bro. I love it, man. It changes the bike completely. Thanks, man. Let me see this beast. Look at this. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Look at this thing. S1000RR. This thing is absolutely beautiful. And you got the tried and true, the king, You do anything else to it? Is this new?
Maybe since the last time you saw me, but
yeah, I hadn't seen this. I love it, man. It looks great. Look at that, man. That's fucking beautiful. I wish they did that for my bike, man. Oh, that's the way a Tell Tidy should look.
It comes with the bracket system. You put it here, and then these lights. And they integrate.
And they're bright as hell.
Oh, they're super bright, dude.
I love that look. You can't do that to Ducati.
See if they have it.
They don't. I've checked. This is the most they have is that. And those are the slimmer ones. Those.
Yeah, but that looks good.
It looks better, but. All right, here we go. Let me hear this thing. Turn that bad boy on. Look at this freaking bike, man.
On the TFT on the BMW.
Oh, absolutely. Nice.
Too quiet.
Yeah. It still sounds good, though.
Yeah.
You get to hear that engine.
Yeah.
That sounds good, maybe. Man, that bike is beautiful. Congrats, John. Absolutely beautiful out. Look at these two amazing machines. We got the Road King behind us. Let's go. So that bike is stock 205 horsepower, plus it's much lighter than this one. So in case you're wondering, I do not stand a chance. But absolutely, both of these are awesome bikes depending on what you're looking for. I love this style of bike. I love this seating position. I've actually never owned a sport bike, believe it or not. Awesome. It looks very comfortable too. You can tell once he hits that that bump there how that bike moved. Does it? Yeah? John's saying it sounds good. It does. He hears it more than I do. It sounds great here, obviously, but we're going to go this way. So this this is about the only time I get to have fun at John's expense. His bike is very limited right now, so obviously he can't push it. And despite the fact that that's a much faster bike, this is fully opened up, and you know, obviously he's taking it easy on that bike, so I am having some fun at his expense. That's not going to last for very long. Look at that beautiful flag right there. Perfect. July 4th, out for a morning ride with the crew. Grateful. Does not get any better than that. I can smell the ocean. You got all the traffic already going in there. That's a nice public park and beach there. Mr. Senior hanging out there. What's up, Senior? What's up, man? There's the real star of the show right there. Check it out. Senior, what year is that again?
2007.
2007.
No ABS, no traction control, nothing. Engine and wheels.
Pretty much.
It's a nice looking bike.
It is, and it sounds great too.
Yeah. It's a really nice looking bike. Got a nice thick back.
All right, we're gonna relax here for a little bit. We're gonna try the world's best coffee.
I thought, didn't you have a buyer? Somebody wanted. Yeah. But, no, 17.
Oh yeah, listen to that. John's gonna test it out. Look at that. Let's go have some awesome coffee. World's best coffee. Got the Ducati. Look, we got Junior over here. We got Junior in the Harley. John with his freaking badass BMW S1000RR 2024, and we got TJ and the Road King, and of course John, give me a little tap back there. So we're gonna head towards Freehold, and our buddy Manny should be over there. We'll see if we see him. That sounds awesome, bro. Returning the favor, my friend. I don't know, brother. I don't know. It's not a fair comparison. It's he's too restricted. So I think this is the first time and only time that you will see a Ducati Pikes Peak take a BMW S1000RR, only because it's restricted. But hey, it was fun done nonetheless. I'm going to save this video forever. Nobody's gonna know. They're not gonna know. All right, we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Stay tuned. All right, the temperature is getting to about 80 degrees and I am feeling this gear. We're headed up to Manasquan Reservoir. We're about 4 minutes away. We're gonna stop there, check out the bikes, show you up close. We're gonna go take some nice pictures and videos here, and then from there I'm gonna switch you over to some epic and amazing fireworks. I'm hoping I can launch the drone from a distance and show you these fireworks from the sky as well as from the ground. So stick with me. We are here, Manasquan Reservoir Recreation Area. Go check it out. All right, we're gonna take some pics. Look at that view right there. This is what it's all about. Happy 4th, grateful. We're gonna wrap up this video right here. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.